Hi, I'm Dave Clayton, a graphic designer from the UK, and I've come all the way over from the UK just to drop some great Adobe Express knowledge bombs on you. If you are a photographer or any kind of creative and you've always been intimidated by making content, then this is the class for you. It's Adobe Express, and we are going to be making so much content in here. We built our brand with our logos, our color, our fonts. We then moved on to creating content for social media. For any size, we added animation. We moved on to quick edits, and we looked at quick and easy ways to resize photos, make products, cut out images, make profile photos. We then built a video, and we added video content, transitions, music. We then took that and built a web page, and we added images, a gallery, our video that we made. We just made so much content, and this class is for you to be absolutely energized and go ahead and build your own brand, make your own content, and this is the place to learn it, right here on KelbyOne.com.